So one of the great discoveries we've made in the last few years is that one of the best sources of Dr. Price's X Factor is duck fat. It's very rich in vitamin K. A lot of the minerals are in the skins, that first layer under the skin, that's where all the toxins are. And I was very interested to learn that in South America, where the potato comes from, they don't eat the skins. And especially those potatoes grown high in the mountains, they have a very high content of solanines, yes. So the salad is the radicchio orange salad with caramelized onion on top, or sauteed onion on top. This salad is so delicious. But we have to get the onions ready. You can also do this in an oven if you want. And you want it to be this way. Can you see the little pieces of butter in there? Yeah. You don't want it to be homogeneous. In fact, I think this is a little too mixed. But the crumblier it is, the more delicious your crust will be. So the key here is to cook until you start hearing them pop. We started with 2 whole fish, and we cut the fish into fillets. We made a stock with the fish bones, the fish carcasses. This stock is boiling down right now with creme fraiche. In fact, if we take a wooden spoon, oh, wonderful. If we take a wooden spoon, we're looking for a certain thickness, which is when the sauce coats the spoon, naps the spoon. It's called nappe. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. We are making this pear cranberry pie. We've got some potatoes cooking in duck fat in the oven, and we're going to have a radicchio orange salad with sauteed onions on top, and balsamic vinegar dressing. I can't believe it's all gotten done at the same time.